Hey guys, so my life is being very chaotic at the moment and I want to try and fix that. So I'm going to start in the bedroom and just try and clean this area up. Great, so this is what I'm going to try and move in. See, like this area just gets crazy. Oh, let's do it. Now let's move it. I'm not going to record this because it's enough. Let's do this. Broken. I need to fix this. I need to clean here. Okay, I'm gonna put this rug in here instead of the kitchen because no food's gonna hit it, whereas in the kitchen, oh, is that cute? I think that's good. Let's make the bed. I will come back and put a shelf up there, but I realized that all this crap was in the way. I'm gonna start off easy and do my washing, like put it away. So I am just putting all my clothes away, but as you can see, this is broken. So I'm gonna try and take it off. Oh God, that's dusty. Okay, I'm gonna hoover that and wipe it down. Hey, so I have a small room. I can't really do much about the space. This will have to do, but this is kind of flattened a little bit more. I've put something heavy on it so that it's straight. Or maybe it's not as straight as I think it is, but I'm gonna try it. Did you see this? Did I put this together wrong? Like, what is this? No, it's just, no. That's weird. So that's the reason it broke. It's just not big enough. But, well, I don't don't know what to do. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna take everything out and just put it back the way it is. I will look up and see if I can get the piece for it, but I don't know if IKEA or it does stuff like that. Perfect. So exactly how it was before. Okay, good. Hey guys, so it is quite a bit later. It's probably like 4 or 5 days later. The room is still absolute craziness, and I did just leave it and said, oh, I'll get to it later. But unfortunately, this is later, and I can't keep living in such a dump. So I'm going to show you what kind of mess I have made for myself, because I'm really, really good at that. So I still have my tool, got my drill there. My bed needs to be made. I did put the shelf up that you seen last. Clothes on the floor. This bit here is actually hiding so many plugs and things. My bin needs to be emptied. That needs to go back as well. That needs to go back. And then I just have these like craziness. And I don't even want to talk about behind the curtain. We're not doing it. These also need a bit of a home. Also, this plant, I am murdering it. I really need help. First thing I'm going to do is look at this. Done. Easy. I have this. So you're probably wondering, where are you putting this one? So if you see the bed, there's actually like a space between the bed and the wall because the radiator. So I'm going to put this underneath my mattress and to the wall, and hopefully it'll be something that I can place stuff on. Nothing like heavy or breakable, but just something. It's just going to hold my water bottle, and then hide my medication in there too. Yeah, so I think it's perfect. So next I'm going to put all the tools away. If I need them, I can take them back out. Oh yeah, there is this box, and what I'm thinking of is everything I think I want to put in the bathroom, I'm going to put in here. Yes, so that's for the bathroom. This is the real mess. There is a light there. It doesn't seem like a big deal right now, but when I'm trying to sleep, oh no. That was another reason for this over here. I completely forgot. But I'm gonna put it here, and then it won't show. Poor plant.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer.
You know when I do that, but low-key you want him to like fight for you, whatever. Anyways, but John's like, fine, and he ends up driving off. Okay, so he's like, fine, walk home, whatever. He heads back to the apartment and he just waits. Anyways, so John is waiting at the apartment, right? He's just kind of sitting there waiting for, and more time is in the door. You know, when Liz wasn't really showing up. So again, John,
You put me rosers. Hey, so I seen this little trick where you paint glue onto the mirror and then you can just like pull it off after you've painted. So I'm gonna try it. I didn't need to paint it all, but I really enjoyed it, so I just kept going.
So the curtains still pull on the ground, as you can see, but that is because I want to raise this pole up to the ceiling. So this gap here, I needed to add to the bottom. So soon it won't pull. Now I'm going to make a cup of tea, of course. I think that's it for the bedroom. I'm so happy that I finally got my room tidy and organized. I know where everything is. Things aren't bothering me as much, and I actually went and did all of it, where normally I go and I just stop before it's all done. Yes, I do have like 1 or 2 projects that still need to be done. You've probably seen over here, this thing. It is for the wall, but I have to go to a hardware shop, but everything else is basically done. So much more space. I really like my bed this way, facing out the window, especially when it's like raining. There's nothing better than lying in bed and looking out at the rain. The only thing that's better is at nighttime, and if there's ever any fireworks, I get to see them. That's probably better than the rain. Yeah, thanks so much for coming along with me. If you did clean your room or you're going to, let me know down below. Please like the video if you did, and yeah, just say hi in the comments. Cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.